How to fix Valorant error code VAN-79. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to show you how you can easily fix this error. So in order to fix it, the first thing that you need to do is you need to simply restart Riot client and PC. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches, so you need to close the Riot client completely, then relaunch it. If that doesn't work, then you need to reboot your computer and try launching Valorant again. In the second method, you can simply check background programs because sometimes conflicting software can interfere in Valorant. Try closing any unnecessary programs running in the background, especially overlays or third-party game clients. If these two fixes doesn't solve the problem, then you can search online for more advanced solution relating to VAN-79 error code. The official Valorant support website or forums might have additional troubleshooting steps that you need to follow for the specific errors like this. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.